We out here to a popular yard. We're doing a oil change on the 2003 e350 Super Duty box truck.
Lubing the oil you fucked up right now. Lubing the O-ring, because you put this O-ring on dry, it'll snap.
Yep.
The oil plug is right here. I'm gonna put this in. 20-minute job, you can do it yourself. Come on. Go that side. Go that side, take a look. Put it down. You see it?
Yeah.
You fucked this up?
Yep.
It's when the hand tighten it. You never want to over tighten it with a wrench. When you take it off, use a wrench because the heat welded onto the engine. About 3 quarts of oil came out, which is pretty good. I've worked for synthetic, so 7,000, 8,000 miles on this is oil change alone. This oil plug back in. You gotta make sure it's going right. You don't want to cross thread it. Then you gotta get a reamer and re-thread the hole. You heard me?
Uh-huh.
You don't want to do that, especially when it's cold. Ain't no oil on the ground, right?
Yep.
Oh, I ain't spilled that, right?
Uh-huh. God, my hand's cold.
I thought it was warm outside to you, bro.
It was. It was.
It was, right?
Yep.
But it's not, right?
Yep. Ow! I just hit my head, Dad.